Today we're going to show you how to use the StageFrights Grrrouch appliance. Items you'll need include makeup and sealer, application tools like foam sponges, makeup brush, powder and powder puff, cosmetic grade adhesive and remover. A makeup pencil and stipple sponge are great for extra detail. Be sure to test all products before you begin in an inconspicuous place on your skin. Leave in place for up to an hour. If irritation occurs, remove and do not use that product. If you do not experience any irritation, then go ahead and proceed with the application. Be sure to follow all instructions included in the package. A copy of these instructions can also be downloaded from our website, StageFrights.com. This is a two-piece prosthetic, so we'll be starting with the forehead. Apply adhesive like spirit gum where the appliance is going to be placed. After a few moments, the spirit gum will become tacky, and you can press the appliance onto your face. It's good to start from the center and work out, applying additional adhesive out toward the edges. Be sure to use extreme caution when working around the eyes. Trust me, you do not want to get spirit gum in your eyes. Again, the spirit gum will become tacky, and you can press the appliance down toward the edges. You may choose to powder the edges where adhesive is exposed. Dust off the excess powder using a brush or dry cloth. Now we're going to repeat all the steps for the bottom piece. Starting at the center, applying spirit gum, and working out toward the edge, pressing into place as we go. Again, a little powder around the edges. In this demonstration we're using cream makeup, therefore we're going to apply a thin layer of castor oil sealer over the appliance before the makeup. If you're using rubber mask grease, alcohol-based or water-based makeup, this step is not required. Dab off excess castor oil with a dry paper towel or clean cloth. You can use a little liquid latex around the edges to blend them into your skin. This is an optional step, though it does produce a more professional finish. Wait till the liquid latex is dry. You can use a hairdryer to speed it up a bit. Once dry, you can go over the untreated latex with more castor sealer. Again, castor oil is used with cream or cake makeups only. Now it's time to start adding your base colors. It's suggested that you dab your base coat on, as wiping strokes may look streaky. You can use a darker shade of makeup to emphasize wrinkles and detail. Then use your base color to soften the edges of the detail. Continue with your base color down your neck. For a more finished look, be sure to cover all exposed skin. Now we're going to use a medium brown as our second base color for more depth, continuing down the neck. Now, with our makeup brush, we'll add a little bit of extra color here and there. Small detail work is often done best with a makeup brush for more precise control. Again, be careful around your eyes. To soften detail lines, you can use your finger or makeup sponge to blend in the base colors. Because we're using an oil-based makeup, we need to powder it to seal it. Water and alcohol-based makeups do not require this step. Press the powder into place. Do not wipe it, or you may streak your makeup. Dust off excess powder. If your makeup looks dull, you can bring back the vibrance by dabbing a damp cloth over the makeup and powder. And now your makeup's done. Music provided by our friends at Midnight Syndicate and used with permission.